Hi there YouTube friends, welcome back to Auntie A's Kitchen, and in today's video we're going to be making two healthy and delicious hummus recipes. Traditional as well as my personal favourite avocado and cilantro flavour, and the best part is both of these recipes are fast and simple to make. Place your tin or jar of chickpeas into some water, then gently between your hands rub the chickpeas and the skins will float to the surface, making it easy for them to be removed. You can leave the skins on, but for extra smooth hummus I recommend taking them off. Place your chickpeas into your blender and season with a little salt. Add 1 to 2 cloves of garlic depending on how strong you would like the garlic flavour, and then the juice from 1 lemon. Next add 2 tablespoons of homemade tahini, and I showed you how to make this in a previous video, and then blend. After just a minute I stop the blender and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, then continue blending. If you're new to the channel, may I say welcome. My name's Amanda and I just love sharing simple and delicious recipes that you can then cook for friends and family. And if you're interested in any of the recipes, a list of the ingredients and measurements can be found in the description below each video. While blending I like to add 1 or 2 cubes of ice. This helps not only to cool the machine down but adds to the creamy texture. After about 7 minutes of blending, your hummus will have the perfect smooth and silky consistency. Have a taste and season if needed, and then either serve it up straight away or, as I am doing, place it into a container and then you can have it available when you need it. Once you have mastered this basic hummus recipe, you can then start adding other ingredients and making different flavoured hummus. As well as roasted red pepper hummus, my other favourite flavour is avocado and cilantro. Place your chickpeas into the blender and prepare them in exactly the same way as we did the first recipe, and add a handful of cilantro, the juice from half a lime, as well as half an avocado. What I love about this avocado hummus is not only is it refreshing with the cilantro, but the lime brings a wonderful freshness to it. And maybe I'll show you in another video that one of my favourite breakfasts at the moment is a piece of toast with avocado cilantro hummus with a wonderful sunny side fried egg on top. Season with some salt and pepper, and then again add 1 to 2 cloves of garlic depending on personal taste, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and blend. And again, while it's blending, I add 1 to 2 cubes of ice. Once you have the consistency that you would like, serve it up straight away, or as I'm doing again, place it into a container until you're ready to use. When plating up your hummus, I personally recommend that you go for a contrasting colour. So for the plain traditional hummus, try and plate up on a colourful bowl. Making a swirl using the back of a spoon not only makes it look pretty, but the well you create will help hold the olive oil. Finish your dish off by scattering some chickpeas on the top and then garnish with some parsley for a contrasting colour. At the end of the day, just have fun experimenting with different flavour combinations using a variety of spices, seeds and nuts. For the avocado hummus, I sprinkle some crushed pepper flakes and cumin seeds, pistachio nuts, and finish with some oil and cilantro. So here we have 2 delicious hummus recipes. You can either serve them as a snack with some pita bread and chips, and I'll put 2 links in the description where I show you in other videos on the channel how to make homemade chips and pita. Or, as I'm doing today, you can serve them alongside a meal. So thanks for watching, have a great week, God bless, chop hamnada.